Unraveling Apostle of Meaning Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where learning English is fun and insightful. Today, we're going to delve into an intriguing English phrase, apostle of. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it like a native speaker. So, let's get started. The word apostle originally comes from Greek, meaning one who is sent away. Historically, it refers to the 12 disciples sent out by Jesus Christ in the Bible to spread his teachings. However, its use has evolved to represent anyone who is a pioneer or a vigorous advocate for a cause or idea. It's important to understand that being an apostle of something conveys a deep commitment and belief in that particular cause. When we say someone is an apostle of a concept or movement, we're saying they are a promoter or a staunch supporter of that idea. For example, if you hear, "He's an apostle of healthy living," it means that person is greatly devoted to promoting healthy living habits. This phrase can be used for a wide range of topics, from serious social movements to more casual interests. It's not just about supporting something. It's about being one of its leading representatives or proponents. Now, let's put apostle of into action. Here are some examples of how you can use it in a sentence. Margaret is an apostle of organic farming, tirelessly working to spread the word about its benefits. As an apostle of free software, he contributes to various open-source projects. She considers herself an apostle of fiscal responsibility, advocating for better budgeting in all walks of life. Remember, when you use apostle of, you are attributing a role to someone that goes beyond mere support. It's about being a driving force for that cause. When using apostle of, make sure you are not confusing it with similar sounding or looking words that have completely different meanings, like apostrophe or apocalypse. Context is key here. Apostle of specifically relates to advocacy and active support, not punctuation or end-of-the-world scenarios. Also, avoid using apostle of to describe someone who simply likes or enjoys something. It's meant for deeper, more passionate involvement. And that wraps up our lesson on apostle of. Now you can confidently use this phrase to describe someone who is deeply invested in promoting or advocating for a cause. Remember, learning English is not just about words but the stories and history they carry. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable with this expression. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned. See you in the next video.